Hey guys, this is Robo, and today we got our hands on the mid-range headset by HyperX Cloud Pro Silver Edition. This headset is an upgrade to the known headset HyperX Cloud Core. HyperX Cloud Pro Silver Edition is priced at Rs 6,999 and is special priced on Amazon for only Rs 4,599. It has a 53mm drivers and with a frequency range from 15Hz to 25,000Hz. Sound pressure wise, Cloud Pro can reach 98 dB, which is pretty loud, so no issue in that department. In the box, you get the inline audio control and an extension cable with a removable mic. The cable is non-removable with the regular 3.5mm jack, which you can connect directly to your phone or console. You even get an extension cable for your PC and a safe carry pouch with a mesh design and HyperX branding on it. On the first glance, you will see that the headset looks premium as the durable aluminum frame provides a long-lasting durability. This headset is closed back, which means you will get sound isolation. That is, you won't disturb anybody around you while gaming. It has 100% memory, foam cushions and a padded headband for the long hours of comfortable gaming, as it is only 322 grams, which is fairly lightweight. The audio quality of HyperX Cloud Pro is very good. If you ask anybody, they will recommend you HyperX headsets. Especially in the shooter games, the gunshots are clear and audible even if they are shot at a long range. The footstep sounds are fairly clear and clean, making it easy for you to detect your opponents in a competitive game. The microphone quality is actually really good as it is unidirectional and has an inbuilt noise cancellation. This is the microphone test. This is the raw quality of the mic. I have added no filters to this part, and I know I have kept the mic fairly close to my mouth. There's fan in the background, and I think it's doing a fair job even if I snap my fingers. All in all, HyperX Cloud Pro Silver Edition is compatible with PS4, Xbox One, and PC. And with the stylish silver highlights on the rim and on the cable, they surely look special and one of a kind. I hope you liked this hands-on review of HyperX Cloud Pro Silver Edition. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more of these kind of videos in the future. This is Robo. I will see you in the next one.